In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bank transaction rules in QuickBooks Online. Bank rules in QuickBooks are incredibly useful tools that allow you to automatically categorize transactions from your bank, saving you valuable time and ensuring your financial records are kept tidy and up to date. Whether you're a small business owner managing your own books or working as a bookkeeper managing multiple accounts, mastering bank rules can be a game changer. To kick things off, you'll want to navigate to the Transactions section, which you can find on the left panel of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Clicking on this will open up a variety of options related to your financial transactions. What we're interested in today is the Rules tab, which you'll see near the top of the page. Go ahead and click on this tab. This is where you'll start creating and managing all your bank transaction rules. Once you're in the Rules tab, you should see a button labeled New Rule. Click on this to embark on setting up a new transaction rule. Now, the first step here is to give your rule a name. It helps to choose something descriptive that will remind you of the rule's function at a glance. For instance, if this rule is meant to categorize monthly office supply purchases, you might call it Monthly Office Supplies. Next, you're going to fill in the instructions for your new rule. This is a critical part, so take your time. Start by setting the conditions of your rule. You need to decide under what circumstances this rule should be applied. For example, you might want this rule to apply to any transaction from a specific vendor or transactions over a certain dollar amount. Think carefully about the conditions that match your requirements. Once you've established when the rule should be applied, you can move on to determining what action the rule should take. Depending on your needs, an action might be categorizing a transaction into a specific account, adding tags, or assigning a certain class or location. The goal is to automate repetitive tasks, so consider what actions will help streamline your bookkeeping process. After reviewing and double-checking that all the necessary details and instructions are correctly in place, it's time to save your work. Simply click the Save button, and you've successfully created a new bank transaction rule in QuickBooks Online. That's all there is to it. You now have a tool in place that will automatically organize transactions, making your financial management more efficient. With your new bank rule, you can ensure your records are updated accurately without the need to manually categorize every single transaction. Keep exploring QuickBooks, and you'll continue to find ways to optimize your financial workflows. Thanks for watching.